Hello, friend. Again, myself Malik. Today, we will learn about one of the great features that is affiliate managers. Suppose I'm starting a business and a product. How I can sell my product to affiliate manager, and how can I use affiliate? How can I create affiliate link? In affiliate manager will help me to create all the distribution of the profit, how it would be. So this is the wonderful features. I will show you one by one. First of all, I have to go to my sub account. Under sub account, on a tab, that is marketing tab, there is affiliate manager. And under affiliate manager, there is campaign, affiliate, payout, media setting. I will go to the campaign. And there is one campaign already created. I can create another campaign here through this add button. Just creating this campaign. Is and there is a referral kind of link. I choose funnel, and under funnel, if they want funnel, I select it, and already one affiliate link has been generated. So now payout terms, what the payout terms should be, I have to put here. There are three options, that is late 30, late 15, pay on 15th of the month, pay on 13th of the month, pay 16th, like that way. I choose 15. With commission type, what commission type will be? It will be flat commission or percentage commissions. I will choose a flat commission, that is 25%. Suppose the 40%, okay, 40% as a flat commission. Second I can choose also 30%. I cooking 365 days cookies live would be what I would select it. I can manage from here and create the campaign. Then automatically the campaign will be created. That is paste campaign 2. When the campaign will be created, then I am taking the affiliate. And already one affiliate is created. If I want to create another one, then I have to go to add button and create new affiliate. I need to see the new ID, like suppose for this person, this person will be the new affiliate. Then I will assign to a campaign. That is based on 2. Then if I want to continue more details, then I can choose more options and fill accordingly. There are several others information. If I need to fill that information, then I can fill that in advanced settings. There is referral link. This is automatic generated referral link. When the referral link will be created, then copy the link and I can send this link to my affiliate. And done. And magic is generated successfully. When the link will be created, the affiliate can send my product to their friends, relatives, and their affiliate for the affiliate commissions. And if I go to the login to client management, all the details of their customers or affiliates. Affiliate, formal, affiliate management. There is dashboard, there is lead customer, there is commission, and there is media. And this would be the great feature in GoHighlevel. Thank you.